Okay folks, check this out. It's a rare moment of peace and tranquility. We've got 2 dogs here, cozily snuggled up with 4 ducks. They're all nestled together in this makeshift sleeping area, which looks surprisingly comfy. And they're all snoring. It's like a snoring symphony, if you will. There's something incredibly heartwarming about it. These animals, different as they are, have found comfort and companionship with each other. Who would have thought, right? Ducks and dogs, living the dream together. It's a scene straight out of a fairy tale book, but here it is, in real life.